everyone, welcome to 5 Minutes Belly Dance with me. Today I'm going to share with you how to do some head movements with the head. Alright, it's good to have long hair so that the effect of the hair movements actually looks nicer. Alright, today I'm going to share with you 3 types of hair flips. Okay, the first one is basically a simple one, which basically you do a half circle down and you flip it up to the back. Go down and flip it up. Alright, so this is how it looks like. You basically go down, you relax your neck as you're doing this, bend the head down. You basically use your upper body a little bit. You don't want to fully depend only on the neck because you don't want to have any neck injury, alright? So you're going to use your upper body a little bit. So your upper body is going to go down together and come up. Go down together and come up, okay? So as you're doing the head, go down, okay? Go down and come up. Go down and come up. Alright, usually when you do this movement, alright, I didn't use any strength, that's why my hair drops down. So when you're doing this, you really need to go down softly, and when you come up, you have to really use some strength to bring the head up. Alright, you can use your body to really help you. So this is what I mean, alright? So you go down and up. So you see that your hair doesn't drop down on your face. Go down and up. Okay? So you really have to use some strength, your upper body and your neck to bring the head up. Okay? So go down and up. Go down and up. You see I'm shifting my weight as well. And I'm using the upper body to help also, alright? So this is one of the head flip movements. We should just go halfway and halfway. There is another version which I like to actually introduce you and encourage you to use this instead of basically bending the neck and go up with the tilt on the neck. I would recommend that you just go sideways down because this is soft, alright? You're not going to injure your neck. So you go down, but when you come up, you basically straight up. Alright, you believe me, you will have less injuries when you just put your head up this way rather than this way, alright? You might pull some muscles when you're doing sideways, okay? So what I mean by this is when you're doing this, alright, you go down and then your body basically come to here and actually you lift it up. So what happens on your head is basically just go down to center and up. Alright, and when you go to this side, is you bend on this side, but when you reach the center, you go up. But what happens here is basically you're using your body to help you. Now your body movement will be front, okay, you tilt, and then you go down. You are changing your position to this side as you flip up. Alright, and then you go down. You see I'm changing because I want to go to this side. And then I move here, and then my head flips up this way. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It will go down. All right, I'm here, my body is here now, and I flip up. Okay, and then I go down, sideways down, and my body changed to this angle, and I flip up. All right, so the effect looks slightly the same as just now when I was doing this. Okay. Ta. Ta. Okay, and up, and up. Another head flip would be from this side to this side immediately. Your hair should go up and down this way. So you bend. It also using your upper body by tilting it side to side. All right, so you go here, relax the neck, and then you go flip up, and you go flip up, and up, and up, and up. All right, so imagine it's like you are going down and then you're ready to spring it up and come down, ready to spring it up and come down. Okay, If you haven't subscribed to my channel, press the subscribe and bell button, and see you again next time.